When I catch an exception, how do I get the type, file, and line number? Catching an exception that would print like this. I want to format it into
simplest form that worked for me. Output.
Source, pyv2.7.3, for traceback.format_exception and called / related functions helps greatly. Embarrassingly, I always forget to read the source. I only did so for this after searching for similar details in vain. A simple question, how to recreate the same output as Python for an exception, with all the same details. This would get anybody 90+% to whatever they're looking for. Frustrated, I came up with this example. I hope it helps others. It sure helped me. Smile? In specific answer to this query.
Here is an example of showing the line number of where exception takes place.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.